This was the view from Seattle, Washington yesterday as wintry weather really impacted the area. You can see cars slipping and sliding around here. In fact, the Seattle airport picked up 1.7 inches of snow. That was good enough for a daily snowfall record. That same storm is still spreading moisture through the Intermountain West and into the Southwest. We could have some decent snowfall tallies for the mountains north of Los Angeles, Sierra Nevada range, possibly winding up with 1 to 4 feet of snow by the time this is all said and done through the end of the week, and then some winter storm warnings for parts of Utah and Colorado. So again, decent snowfall tallies continuing within these particular areas. Again, the Sierra Nevada range, about 1 to 4 feet total by the time this is all said and done. Now that storm system will be impacting the western U.S., and then pieces of that storm will be impacting the Midwest with some ice and snow. We're also talking about a pretty warm eastern U.S., and in the southern U.S., we could be dealing with some 70s, maybe even some 80s, but 61 today in New York. That was almost 20 degrees above average. But you can see the colder air perched to the north and west, and it will continue to settle into the central U.S. through mid-month. So looking at some pretty cold conditions again within these areas. So there's your western storm system, pieces of that ejecting into the midsection of the nation. Look at this pink showing up in Iowa, Wisconsin, Illinois. That's tonight. We have an ice storm warning for Chicago, and that's where maybe close to a quarter, maybe even a half an inch of ice can't be ruled out. Big impacts on traveling there tonight. And again, looking at that through tomorrow morning, kind of wrapping up, and maybe even some power outages. But then a couple of rounds of snow will be possible in the upper Midwest, including Minneapolis, where through Thursday night, we could have 4 to 8+ inch snowfall tallies. Pretty cold in the far north and west today, tonight, and especially later on this week. We're also going to be watching some severe weather chances build Wednesday and Thursday in the southern U.S. with localized heavy rainfall as well. We'll keep you up to date.